Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about software engineering and everything that goes into software engineering. My name is Caleb Kagan, and who am I really making this course for? So I'm making this course for absolute beginners, guys who have never touched anything to do with software engineering, and also professionals trying to remind themselves what software engineering is. So what do you really need to pursue or rather learn from this video? So first of all, you need the passion. Second, you need extra research knowledge, like go research about stuff, go look up stuff. This AI which can help you do the research. And this also, you need a phone or a laptop. You can't just watch this video and of course you have your phone. You need a laptop. So let's get into it. So what is software engineering? This is simply the systematic process of developing, testing, and maintaining software. So the keywords here are developing, testing, and maintaining software. Think of an app, your favorite app. It could be Uber, it could be Bolt, it could be Netflix, it could be M-Pesa. So what really gets into making that app? There's a lot that goes into it. First of all, there's the collection of requirements. So before any app is made or before any software is made, you should collect requirements, and there's the functional and non-functional requirements. So you just go look that up. It's like telling someone, hey, you need an application for yada yada yada. What do you really need? Then he said, hey, I need this to do this. So those are the requirements. Two, there's the design. Now, after getting the requirements, you need to make a design. So professionals here will sit down and try to design the best application, or rather the best way to handle things. There's also the aspect of other little apps that integrate with the apps. So there's the database, there's the servers, there's the language to use. Some languages perform better when used for certain use cases than others. And there's also the development. So now you're done with designing now. Guys will sit down and start develop. The software engineers, the database engineers, the network engineers, they'll start now developing the product. Now, after development, there's a little, I could say, a micro war that gets on between the testers and the developers. So in every organization, there's the testing team now. You're ready to present your first prototype and you hand it over to these guys. They're always mean, or they might look mean when testing the product, because they'll tell you things you don't want to hear. So these guys will test it and give you real-time feedback. It could be harsh, it could be nice. Yeah. And after that, if the product or the app is ready to go to market, it will be pushed to production and people will start using it. Then what happens? Some feedback will be like, hey, your app is very slow. You need to really work on, some people the testing team might not catch some bugs or some errors. So that's where now maintenance comes in. You now do the development on some part, like you're now maintaining a system. So you either make a better design on some part or make a correction on what you really didn't do best until the app is stable, but maintenance will always be there. So that's all about software engineering. I've given you an overview, but that's just a tip on the iceberg. Inside it, I've just talked about design, but there's also the aspect of databases. There's the security part, networking, architecture. There's also AI, understanding the AI, and there's also like the design patterns when you are doing the coding and stuff. So that really goes into the aspect of software engineering. So software engineering is a wide field, and I'd encourage you to go look it up. or go research it more. But this is all I've got prepared for you. So thank you till next time. Remember to like, subscribe to my channel if you like this, and share to your friends. Bye.